Tim Harrigan. I'm the chief engineer, KTH St. Clairs, Ohio plant. We've got about 750 employees here. We installed a 800-ton Komatsu line with co-coil handling equipment on the entry end of it there. This is our first Komatsu press in the KTH group. We are undoubtedly cost-driven like everybody else, and Komatsu really wanted to get in here very bad. I think they gave us an extremely good price, and I'm sure they had to probably negotiate as hard as they possibly could with Co. also to meet the price that we wanted. The Co equipment, we do have it installed at 2 other plants. Our experience there has been good. My exposure to actual Co equipment has been very minimal. This is our first line in our plant, but I would say the startup and installation and startup and everything went extremely well. Very simple. We added a shear into the line there, which we didn't on a previous line that we had here, and the shear's been very helpful as far as tailing out, etc. Because we will do some short, small lot runs. We will run an entire coil. We'll crop that off and run that tail out. And then, as an afterthought, working with Co and Komatsu, we added a micro feeder onto the feeder that we originally had, and that actually went real smooth as far as adding that additional equipment later. And the startup of that micro feeder allows us to reduce our tail out, or tail scrap, as far as that goes. Could have been, like I said, like 20 to 24 foot. You could end up with tails that long based on the die location and etc. And we can cut that down to within a couple feet, 2 or 3 feet, something like that. So that can be end up by the course of a year. You're talking a lot of parts. So, and also the safety enhancement of that. You don't have to handle that 20-foot piece of scrap versus some 2 or 3 feet long. Much better for our associates. The installation and startup, working with Co and Komatsu, went very well. If we did have any issues, they were very responsive, etc. Definitely, I think in future projects, Co will be right up there in the top as far as being considered for any future